A man and a woman are sitting next to each other in first class on a flight. Suddenly, the man sneezes, gives a weird little shudder, and then excuses himself to the bathroom. The woman notices but brushes it off. A few minutes later, the man sneezes again, shudders even more, and rushes to the bathroom once more. Now, the woman is really curious but stays silent. But when it happens a third time, a big sneeze, a dramatic shudder, and another trip to the bathroom, the woman can't help herself. She leans over and says, "Excuse me, I've got to ask. You sneeze, you shudder like you've seen a ghost, and then you run to the bathroom. What's going on?" The man sighs and says, "I'm so sorry, I have a rare condition. Whenever I sneeze, I reach a certain kind of peak." The woman, horrified but sympathetic, says, "Oh my gosh, that's awful. Are you taking anything for it?" The man nods. "Yeah. Pepper."